Hello everyone, I'm Nadine, owner of NG Platinum Homes, and we're in our Clear Lake project, and I'm showing the upstairs bathrooms. So one of them is going to be a guest bathroom that's an ensuite, and this is more or less going to be for the homeowner. There's the media room that's right next door, so he's going to kind of use this as his space. And the previous bathroom look was pretty outdated, of course, and we had a shower and a tub here and an old vanity. And as you can see now from these new renderings, we're really updating it to give them a zero entry shower. And a beautiful floating vanity that's going to be custom. So other than the tile that's going on the floor and in the shower, we're also accenting the walls with some tile and then also slabs from the material that we're using in the shower as well. Beautiful lighting, and it's going to really be a nice updated look. So stay tuned for more from this project.